How to make compost from rabbit manure. Anyone who has pet rabbits knows how much rich manure they produce each day. Since rabbits are herbivores, their manure contains excellent nutrients for your garden soil. Rabbit pellets can be added directly to your garden, or mixed with garden clippings to create a rich compost. Things you will need: compost bin or compost pit, grass clipping, yard waste, organic food scraps, fruits and vegetables, shovel, pitchfork, 5-gallon bucket. Dig a hole that is at least 1 by 2 feet in an out-of-the-way corner of your yard to use as a compost pit, or purchase composting bin. Gather grass clippings, leaves and organic kitchen scraps like vegetable peelings or wilted lettuce, and add it to your compost bin or pit. Scoop out the rabbit pellets from the litter pan and dump them into your composting bin or pit. If you use natural, biodegradable litter, compost the entire contents of the litter pan. Use a pitchfork to incorporate the new material into the existing scraps and clippings. Water your compost until it is moist. Use the pitchfork to mix and turn the materials to ensure all the components are breaking down. Keep a 5-gallon bucket around to dump the scraps and rabbit manure in, if you are not interested in dumping directly on your pile or in your compost bin every day. Add to and turn your compost pile at least once a week. Add water to it until it begins to retain moisture. Begin adding compost to your garden once it has broken down into a dark, rich mixture. Tips: warnings. If you are looking for quick and easy way to fertilize your container garden or indoor plants, make a tea by combining rabbit manure and water in a 5-gallon bucket. After soaking a day or two, water your plants with the tea.